Hi, in front of me is HOTWAV Pad 8 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction option. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Following that, tap on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Then select Text Correction, and as you can see, all typing options are over here. If you wish to manage them, just tap on the switches next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!